On Snapchat and want more control over your last scene? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to turn it on or completely off. First, open the Snapchat app and land on the main camera screen. Now, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner to open your profile. On your profile screen, look for the gear icon in the top right. That's your settings. Tap the gear icon to open the settings menu. You're now inside Snapchat settings. Next, we'll head to privacy, define last scene. In settings, scroll down and tap privacy controls. On the privacy screen, find and tap activity status or last scene. Here, you'll see a toggle to share your last scene. Turn it on to let friends know when you were last active. Want more privacy? Switch the toggle off to hide your last scene from everyone. Double-check any extra options, like which friends can see your status, and adjust them to match your comfort level. That's it. You've just customized your Snapchat last scene. Pause, rewind, and follow along anytime you want to tweak your privacy.